For freelancers, solopreneurs, and small businesses, managing finances can often feel like an extra project in itself. Keeping track of invoices, expenses, time, and payments can quickly become overwhelming. This is where accounting software like FreshBooks steps in, aiming to simplify these crucial tasks. As a project management expert, I often get asked about the best tools for various business functions, and when it comes to financial management for smaller operations, FreshBooks is a recurring topic. A critical question that always comes up is, how much does FreshBooks cost? Understanding FreshBooks' pricing structure isn't just about knowing the monthly fee. It's about evaluating the value you get for your money, considering your current business needs, and anticipating future growth. Let's break down the FreshBooks cost landscape in simple terms, focusing on what each tier offers and who it's best suited for. The FreshBooks philosophy: scalability through tiers. FreshBooks operates on a tiered pricing model, meaning they offer different plans with varying features and client limits at different price points. This approach is designed to cater to businesses of different sizes and stages of growth, from a brand new freelancer to a small business with a growing client base. They also frequently offer promotional discounts, especially for new users or for those who choose annual billing, so it's always worth checking their official website for the latest deals. Here's a general overview of their main plans, keeping in mind that exact pricing can fluctuate with promotions. 1. Light Plan, the starting point for solopreneurs. Who it's for. This plan is ideal for individuals just starting out, freelancers, consultants, or solo professionals who have a small number of clients. What you get. The Light Plan typically allows you to bill a limited number of clients, usually around 5. Despite the client limit, you generally get unlimited invoices, expense tracking, time tracking, and the ability to accept online payments. This is enough to get your basic financial operations organized. Cost expectation. This is the most affordable plan, often around $21 per month when billed monthly, though promotional rates can bring it down significantly for the first few months. Annual billing often provides a discount. Think of the Light Plan as your project's minimum viable product, MVP, for financial management. It covers the essentials to get you up and running without a huge upfront investment. 2. Plus Plan, growing your client base. Who it's for. If your client list is expanding and you need more automation and a broader view of your finances, the Plus Plan is usually the next logical step. It's popular for small businesses with a moderate number of clients. What you get. This plan typically expands your billable client limit, often up to 50. Crucially, it introduces features like recurring invoices, automated late payment reminders, and the ability to send proposals. These automations are invaluable for project managers looking to streamline their billing process and improve cash flow. You also gain access to more detailed financial reports, including double-entry accounting features, which are important for a more robust financial overview. Cost expectation. The Plus Plan is a step up in price, typically around $38 per month when billed monthly, with potential discounts for annual billing or initial promotions. For project managers managing multiple projects and a growing roster of clients, the automation and expanded reporting in the Plus Plan can significantly reduce administrative overhead, allowing you to focus more on project delivery. 3. Premium Plan. Unlimited clients and advanced insights. Who it's for. This plan is designed for growing businesses that have an extensive client base and require comprehensive financial tracking and reporting. If you're managing a larger portfolio of projects or have a team, this plan becomes highly relevant. What you get. The Premium Plan offers unlimited billable clients, which is a major advantage for businesses with high client volume. It includes all the features of the Plus Plan and often adds capabilities like tracking project profitability, customized email templates for a more branded client experience, and more advanced accounts payable features, managing bills, vendors, and payments. Cost expectation. This is the highest tier standard plan, typically around $65 per month when billed monthly, with annual discounts usually available. For seasoned project managers or business owners overseeing multiple concurrent projects and a larger team, the Premium Plan provides the comprehensive financial oversight needed to make informed strategic decisions and ensure project profitability. 4. Select Plan, tailored solutions for large businesses. Who it's for? The Select plan is for larger businesses with very specific or complex accounting needs that require a customized solution. This might involve high transaction volumes, unique integrations, or dedicated support requirements. What you get? This plan is entirely customizable. It typically includes everything in the premium plan, along with features like a dedicated account manager, specialized onboarding services, and potentially lower credit card transaction rates. Cost expectation. Pricing for the Select plan is upon request, as it's tailored to individual business needs. You'll need to contact FreshBooks directly for a custom quote.